Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Marushi Aigali from Rehan School Online Academy Teachers Training Program. So today I have a new topic of TEDx Talk, the impact of technology on education by Anand Agarwal. So let's get started the review on this TEDx Talk. So the technology shifts learning from passive to active engagement, and students become co-creator instead of mere recipients of knowledge. Online platforms enable interactive, stimulate, and viral and virtual labs. So personalized learning pathway replace traditional one-size-fits-all method. Technology enables flipped classroom for deeper understanding, and learning became more visual, dynamic, and immersive. So real-time feedback improves students' performance, and students gain access to global learning resources instantly. Learning became continuous beyond the classroom, and knowledge became more accessible to all socio-economic groups. Massive open online course MOOCs democratize education, and MOOCs provide access to world-class instructors at no cost. So students can choose from thousands of online courses, self-paced study support diverse learning speeds, and recorded lectures allow repeated listening for better understanding. Online learning reduces geographic barriers and students connect with global learning through discussion forums. Hybrid learning combines the benefit of online in-person models and students can learn real-world skills like coding through online platforms and certifications from edX, Coursera, and others enhance employability. So AI personalized learning experiences for individual students and intelligent tutoring system provide tailored guidance. AI driving assessment offers instant scoring and feedback, and chatbot answers student queries 24/7. So AI identifies student weakness and suggests improvement strategies. So predict when analytics flag a student at risk of dropping out. AI help automate administrative tasks for teachers and administrate adaptive learning platform adjust difficulty levels in real time. And AI generate practice exercise customized to each learner and machine learning improve learning analytics over time. So learning management system LMS centralized learning resources and digital textbooks are cheaper and easier to update. And Google Classroom makes assignment management simple. Zoom team enables and remote teaching. Virtual whiteboards enhance collaborative learning. Multimedia content increases attention and retention. Screen sharing tools support real-time demonstrations, and e-libraries offer thousands of digital books instantly. Cloud storage ensures students can access files anywhere, and gamification increases motivation through points and badges. So, virtual reality (VR) creates immersive learning environments, and students explore the historical events in 3D. AR overlays digital content onto real-world objects, and virtual reality (VR) help medical students practice surgeries and safely. AR brings science diagrams to life, and virtual field trips replace costly travel. So, stimulated labs reduce dependency on physical equipment, and students learn through experimental methods. VR increases empathy by placing students in other shoes, and AR supports step-by-step instruction for complex tasks. Technology supports teachers with rich teaching tools and automated grading reduce teachers' workload. So teachers track student progress more effectively and digital lesson plans save preparation time. Teacher can create interactive quizzes easily and online professional development improves teacher skills. Technology encourages creativity in lesson delivery and data analytics help make more informed decisions and teachers collaborate globally with educators. So technology fosters student-centered teaching practice. So technology built critical thinking skills and student can digital literacy learn for modern careers and collaboration tools develop teamwork skills and coding platforms build computational thinking and student develop self-learning abilities. So video creation tools enhance communication skills and digital note-taking increases organization. So online research improves information literacy and virtual labs build problem-solving skills and students learn global citizenship through online interaction. The technology support learners with disabilities and screen readers have visual impaired system. So closed caption assist hearing impaired learners and multi-tool support non-native speakers. So voice to text help students with writing challenges and adaptive keys support physical disabilities and online learning for help working professional and mothers. So rural students gain access to high quality learning and recorded lessons help slow learner review content. So technology reduces socio-economic inequalities. So summary of this studic talk is technology has profoundly transformed education by making learning more accessible, personalized and interactive. An online platform, MOOCs, AI tools, and virtual classroom allow students worldwide to learn at their own pace and connect with expertise globally. Teachers are empowered with digital resources, enabling them to focus on creative teaching and student engaged tools with VR and AR, gamification, and adaptive learning enhance understanding and skill development. While digital access promotes inclusion for differently able and remote learners, so despite challenges like digital divide, cybersecurity risk, and screen time concern, technology continues to revolutionize education and prepare students for the demand of 21st century. So the moral of this direct talk by Anand Agarwal is technology when used wisely democratized knowledge and empower learners and teachers and make education inclusive, engaged, and future ready. It teaches that the learning is no longer confined to classroom. Knowledge can be accessed anywhere, anytime by anyone. So thank you so much for the review, watching the reviews of this TEDx talk, and I hope you like this review on the Anand Agarwal TEDx talk. We will meet with the new topic with the new TEDx talk. Until take care. Allah Hafiz.